Hello and welcome to the ForRES project. Today we have met up with two project partners from CSIC. Hi, please introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Jofre Pallarés, and I obtained my master's degree in electronic engineering in 2003. Okay, and since then I started working in the IMB CNM. The IMB CNM is a public research center focused on microelectronics. It belongs to the CSIC, which is the largest institution in Spain dedicated to the public research. Okay, and the nice thing about the IMB CNM is that we have very big clean room, the biggest, largest clean room in Spain. And we do a lot of things related to microelectronics, a broad spectrum of investigations, from biosensors, for example, to quantum computing. A lot of things.
Okay, so my name is Nicolas. I am a graduate in telecommunications electronics engineering. And last year I started to work as a software developer here in the National Center of Microelectronics here in Spain.
I have to say that I started working here 21 years ago, but first as an analog designer, and the last 10 years I moved to the reverse engineering group where I belong nowadays.
What's your role in the ForRES project?
I am the technical manager of the project, so I work in close collaboration with you and with Jürgen Finken, the coordinator. Here at the IMB CNM I do a different broad spectrum of technical work, but mainly my work is to manage and to coordinate all the people here.
Yeah, perhaps my role in the ForRES project is to develop new tools and methods for netlist analysis and module identification and specification discovery. And all these tasks consist of analyzing the connectivity structure of an electronic device in order to extract useful information from this electronic device.
What will be the impact of the ForRES project?
I'm totally convinced that after this project, we will see how the European law enforcement agencies, the forensic police, will start solving cases that, using evidences found in devices that were considered unbreakable. So after the project, I think we will start seeing how these cases will be solved. Moreover, by developing specialized software and generating a library of knowledge of all the cases that we can solve, I think that we will see a real speed up in the solving this kind of cases.
I think that by the end of the project, law enforcement agencies will be capable of have a complete tool set for analyzing complex electronic devices, as well as a suitable platform for sharing knowledge with each other.
What are your expectations?
Talking about the IMB CNM, we believe that this project will allow us to continue to be a reference center for reverse engineering of chips. It will also it will allow us to continue strengthening our collaboration with our European forensic police.
My thoughts on the ForRES projects are that the project is going to be a complete success, and therefore all the objectives and all the requirements that are specified in the objectives of the projects are going to be met.
What's the most interesting aspect about this project for you?
One of the most interesting fields is what Nicolas is just investigating, the way to find in a big, huge extracting netlist of a device, the way to identify relevant modules, or why this part, what every part of this chip does. For me, it's very interesting, and it's a thing that is not well solved. Currently, a lot of people working in forensics is trying to solve this. This part is still part that is not solved in the community. Another part that I find very interesting in this project is the collaboration. It's very nice to have all these high-skilled people working together. That's very nice and very productive.
Yeah, perhaps I feel the same. I find the part in which I am working perhaps the most interesting one, because as Jofre has said, it's an area of knowledge in which we don't have results yet. We need to keep investigating in order to get not only new tools but also new methods for extract useful information from electronic devices.
Thank you. And for our audience, if you want to know more about this project, head over to ForRES.eu.